Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today's video is going to feature some more hair transformations. So if you are looking for inspiring hairstyle ideas, you've definitely come to the right place. Now, if you do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles featured within today's video, do me a favor, give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Now, without further ado, let's get into today's hair transformations. So we start off today's video with this beautiful pixie. This one is all black and it features some face framing bangs. And then we move into this beautiful bob. She has so much volume and movement with this cut. Hair is just stunning. Next up, we have another bob. Now she's got some dimensional color going here. So she starts off with this long mid-length hair. And she does have some grays coming in, so I think the stylist kind of added some highlights. I can't tell if that is ash blonde or platinum, but the color really will make, going gray a little bit easier for her. Color will just blend right in with those gray hairs coming in, and I think that was the look that they were going for. And of course, a bob is always a great way to get a more youthful, playful hairstyle. So I can see the color a little bit better here. It definitely looks like maybe an ash blonde dimensional mix with some gray platinum coloring, silver. Very pretty. So here we have another hair transformation by Philip Wolf. I am loving this pixie. She did add some hair there, giving it more of that asymmetrical look and feel. Very cute. And then we have a jaw length style bob. This frames her face so beautifully. Gorgeous. So we have someone who went from a shaggy cut to more of that mullet style. This is what I like to call the baby mullet, aka the mixie. And then we have another gorgeous bob, and just below the jawline. And then we move into a pixie undercut hairstyle. Highly requested look at the moment. Her hair has so much body here. Very pretty. And the two-tone color is actually very in. We're seeing a lot of that with the shorter hairstyles. So here we have somebody with a buzz cut. She does have some design texture going there with this look. Also rocking more of that bright blonde, platinum coloring. And then here we have this really pretty reddish brown pixie. I love the way that this looks. There it is in the sunlight. You can see it's really red here. Followed by a rose gold pixie. Color is absolutely insane. This is like a really pretty, soft, modern way to do pink. And I just think it's so playful and fun and early. You could also do like a pop of this color too, mix it in with your hair. Like if you're blonde, if you want to do like a pop of rose gold, I think that would be really pretty. So here we have someone, she has hair around mid-length, so she's obviously going much shorter with this transformation. Doing a major chop here. Long sideburns here. Actually looks like she might be getting a baby mullet variation, or just like a longer shaped pixie style. More of that like elven shape. Alright you guys, I hope you have enjoyed checking out all of these hairstyles that were featured within today's video. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.